Good morning, namaste, and welcome back to my channel. Apologies in advance, I have not brushed my hair, I have not got any makeup on because I was up really early because I am getting a bus. So this vlog is the destination reveal and I'm going to Mother Kerry, which is Coorg, to see Kaveri River. So, for all of you that don't know, my full name is Kaveri. So Kaveri is off to meet Kaveri, and that'll just be amazing. So I did want to say bye to all my friends, so I did do the classic ritual of saying bye. And am I actually going to come back to Gokarna? Yes, I'm addicted to Gokarna. So I said bye to my friends because I'm not going to see them for a few days. Then I will come back here and I will show you how good the farewell was before I jump on that bus. Bye! 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 See you! Bye! 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 My God, that dog is a very good swimmer. Wow. Okay. Bye! 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 Woo! Bye! 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 Happy journey, guys! Bye! Bye! Woo! Thank you! Bye! 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 Thank you! Kisses, kisses! Thank you! Great dancing! Nice! Woo! Right, so this is a 10-hour journey from Gokarna up to Coorg, up to the southern mountains. So the cost is 435 rupees one way, and that is about £5, about $7. Again, just check the exchange rates. So yeah, here's to a 10-hour bus ride. So perhaps make sure that you've got some snacks and things with you, because it's a long way, and I will talk you through what happens about stops and things. If there's any toilet stops, I hope so, and perhaps chai stops and food stops. Let's hope so, hey. But anyway, for now, I'm going to get on with this journey. So there are regular stops for chai, to go to the toilet, to get food. I've got an amazing comfortable seat on the bus with a lovely lady next to me, bless her. I'm not filming much out of the bus window. I haven't got a great seat for filming, but otherwise I've got a really comfy seat. Last time I had a fabulous filming seat, but the seat was really uncomfortable. This bus ride is amazing. I did actually feel really sick at one point in the bus ride until I actually arrived. but it's nothing that a quick shower didn't cure. So now I'm out and about in Coorg for the evening. How lucky am I to arrive in time for the beautiful sunset. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Om. We've got Coorg honey in this lovely spice shop, and it's the purest of honey because it is local honey. And here in Coorg we've got lots of pure dark chocolate. So with the dark chocolate, it's excellent, not that one there, it's excellent for cardiovascular health and excellent antioxidant. So it is actually really good for you according to research, and Coorg does sell quite a lot of it. Hi.
Hello.
What's your name?
I am Gafar Sheikh from India.
Hi, Fashik. This is your shop.
Yes.
Wow. Lovely shop, Fashik. So tell me about this shop.
It is a spice shop about spices and food special coffee powder, tea powder, all organic items I will get in our shop. And I have a better quality homemade chocolates also. And I have a beauty products also. Lot of variety products also have in especially for food spice.
Lovely, thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you, and see you soon.
Yes.
Bye. Bye. Rose water, really gentle and kind to the skin. Lovely. And here we have amla juice. Amla juice is excellent for blood purification, constipation, excellent antioxidant. So some health benefits to the shops here in Coorg. It's been quite a day, 10-hour journey, amazing journey, apart from it being a little bit too bumpy, a little bit fast, very noisy with the beeping of the horn, but I somehow kind of slept and woke and still felt sick. But again, overall, it was just incredible to be on a 10-hour bus ride in India. It's an adventure and it's very, very exciting. It certainly is, take my word for it. It really, really is. And then having an introduction to Coorg. How lovely. And you've had the room tour. So I hope this vlog has helped in terms of costs of transportation, of getting rooms on booking.com or any other website that you're using because you're in a new place. And I hope it's been really informative. So if you like what you see and you see what you like, then please subscribe to my channel. Cost of channel subscription, nothing. Free service from YouTube to inform you every time a new video comes out if you put your bell notification on. In order to subscribe, all you need to do is press on the circle on the bottom right hand side of your screen with my picture in it. So Shanti Shanti Shanti, Om Namah Shivaya, thank you for watching. And see you on the next vlog when Kaveri meets Kaveri. Kisses. Bye for now.